Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. How are you everyone? Today I want to show you ZAMIL air cool condenser unit. It's a big unit. So we are coming here for maintenance. They are one unit and they are one unit. So I want to show you this outdoor and indoor unit. So it is a indoor area. So it's a one big indoor unit. It is indoor unit. Our work also finished now, so unit door all closed. And this one, another indoor unit. See this, it's big unit. ZAMIL are called AHU unit. So today I will explain you this unit wiring diagram. It's indoor unit and this one a backer. It's main backer and there have one backer and this main backer, this panel. And this unit have a big DDC panel. This our another room, cooling section. This electrical switch gear room. So now I will explain you its unit, all the parts. There you see two scroll compressor, this Emerson company, and nearby have a 4-piece gas manifold. It's a pressure gauge, suction and discharge pressure show here. Different compressor, different manifold goes. One compressor, one suction manifold gas, and one discharge manifold gas. And compressor number 2, one suction manifold gas and another discharge manifold gas. And there have air temperature condenser fan motor controlling switch, heat measurement. So if condenser coil going too much heat, will be start to fan motor, and it's a normal heat condenser coil, so will be start one fan motor start. So there have you see two condenser coil. This is a big condenser coil. This is a big condenser coil and have a top side also. It's two top have two fan motor. So I will open now this wiring panel. It's ACCU to K55 ACCU, ZAMIL air conditioning. ACCU, that's mean air cool condenser unit. So now I am opening this one. So you this, it's normal wiring, not too difficult. First time you saw front time, one backer, two contactor, and ATP terminal board, and one PCB controller, and another relay, and power controller, and power saving device UBM. Okay, so first to last I will explain you try to understand. This one main connection, 3-phase line, and one neutral and one grounding. So direct connection, these are 3 HBTB, this name of HBTB, and this name NTB. NTB, this mean neutral terminal board, and HBTB, this mean high voltage terminal board. And LGU, it's a grounding cable, all of the. So first time I see you conductor connection. This one compressor 1 contactor connection, you see CC1, this means compressor contactor 1, and there have CC2, that means compressor contactor 2. So first time coming this three-phase line direct black color, line 1, line 2 and line 3 direct their contactor main supply connection, contact connection, line 1, line 2, line 3, and then same cable another contactor coming line 1, line 2, line 3, and output direct compressor terminal board in compressor terminal there, three terminal. So it's a three-phase compressor, so going direct three-phase. And then you see this circuit breaker, and then have two small contactor, and there have a fuse. So I explain you first contactor main connection. These two small contactor for top side have two condenser fan motor. For 10 condenser fan motor uh, install here two contactor small. And then have a black blue, you see it's a UBM. This mean under voltage monitor, and three relay, and this one DDC panel thermostat connection, and this a neutral terminal board connection, and have yet one PCB boot, it's a controller. Okay, so you also see this direct connection. Now I will explain its common connection. Direct connection also finish. Mm, I explain you direct three phase coming. There are three, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 1, line 2, line 3, and direct here going three phase and output three phase, and coming this fan motor contactor. Now I will explain you this main connection, coil connection. So here you see line one phase going this one fuse and one fuse output this one here ATP one number cable input here, and then input there's going another phase, this one. So it's mean PCB here's input phase line, and you see there line number 2, it's a neutral cable. So they are coming, you see one neutral cable 2 number. So this PCB when will be start, he need to first time 220 voltage, so one line and one neutral, yeah, he get 220 voltage. And then this is a transformer, is the transformer take 220 voltage for piece from PCB, and this output you see here 24 and 30 voltage he will give output for start this PCB. Here have a small capacitor and diode, everything for its DC volt. So this transformer take a 220 AC voltage, and he it's will output uh, 24 and 30 volt for start to this PCB. So I will explain you PCB output. So PCB take 240 and 24, and then PCB will output. You see here all the connection. This one LP, HP, LP, HP, LP, HP. Two compressor, two HP and two LP. So here 8 cable. And then you see for top side this PCB have so many relay. So first time I explain you this relay. This you first here you see 3A and 3B two cable. So this two cable for contactor compressor contactor coil voltage connection. So you see coil voltage connection. So you see 3A and 3B, and direct coming here you see here coil voltage 3A and another 3B, and neutral direct coming this one here have so many neutral connection coming one piece neutral. And then after you see 41 and 41A and 41B, this coming contactor for condenser fan motor. and then you see here so many RC/JP Y1 Y2. RC/JP is the thermostat connection, and Y1 Y2 is the compressor connection. So it's a easy wiring.